Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp notification not working in any Android phone. If you're using any Android phone and your WhatsApp notification is not working, so let's see how can you fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that your phone is not on do not disturb mode or airplane mode. If it, you must have to disable that. First of all, you must have to disable flight mode and then disable your do not disturb mode. Once you have it disabled, so it might be that your issue will be fixed, but if it doesn't, you just have to open your settings app. In settings, simply go for notification settings. In notifications, select app notifications, and from here simply go ahead to WhatsApp. Just tap on it, and here you must have to enable allow notification toggle. Once you have enabled, you have enable these three toggles, which is lock screen, app icon badge, notification pop-up, sound and vibration, and much more. You just have to enable that toggle which is show content on lock screen. Once you have enabled, so your problem might be fixed. You will get notification of any message on your WhatsApp. But if you are still having the same issue with any specific chat, so you must have to go ahead to WhatsApp and here just select the specific chat with which you are having the issue. For example, I'm going to select this one, just keep a long press on it, and here you'll get this mute icon. If you have, for example, if you have muted someone, so you will get a silent badge in front of the name, and if you have muted someone, so it might be that you will not get any notification from the specific chat. So you must have to disable that. Simply tap on it, keep a long press on this chat, and here you will get this ring option. Just tap on it. Once you have, your badge will be disabled, and now you can easily get the notification from the specific chat. So in this way, you can easily fix if your WhatsApp notification is not working. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.